I'm in love. I'm in love. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifuna if it's your first time here. So let's get into this tutorial. So I sectioned my hair into four. This is just from the night before. These are some products that I'm going to be using: a detangler, curling gel from Auntie Jackie's. That's what it looks like on the inside. My As I Am twist defining cream. This is the most important product for this tutorial, so please, if you don't have it, get it. Hair mousse and my As I Am castor oil spray, just to moisturize the roots of my hair. So right now I've already taken out the first quarter because I divided my hair in two, and so in each quarter I'm going to be doing basically 4 quarters. So in each quarter I'm going to be doing 2 twists, and yeah, just watch, I guess. Okay, so the first step is to comb out your hair. You need this detangling brush as well to make sure there are no knots in your hair, because that is very critical to this process. So I'm just going to give it a good brush, and then the first product I'm going to go in with is my twist defining cream. As you can see here, please be very generous with the cream that you're putting on your hair. I feel like I even missed it a bit. I should have actually put more, but it also depends on how much products that you want on your hair. So, and then I go in with my detangler as well. See, very little, please don't be like me and put more. I eventually went back in with more products, so that's fine. But yeah, I just rubbed this through my hair. Now this is the Auntie Jackie's curling gel. I take a good amount of that as well, as you can see, and I just work that through my hair. You guys, this is really important to make sure the product is getting to every part of your hair. So you're going to use your hands, rub it in, use a brush, brush the products through your hair gently. And as you can see, the more I brush it, the more defined my curls are getting. So yeah, do not skip this step. Don't just apply the products on your hair and go. No, take your time to make sure the product gets into every part of your hair. And you can see the twists are looking cute, they're looking nice. That is exactly what we need. Okay, so the more products you use, the more your curls will be defined, and that was what I was going for. So I use the castor oil spray just for my roots to make sure they're also moisturized. And I actually forgot to put the mousse here. Yeah. So I also put the mousse. I just put a bit. I think that's not that much. But yeah, I did one side with mousse and another side without the mousse. So this is this like half of my hair that has mousse on it. So I guess you guys can decide whether you want the mousse or not. I did notice that the difference was not that much. And I know a lot of people don't like using mousse on their hair. So that is totally optional. Even the castor oil spray as well, you don't really need it, but my hair was completely dry. So I found that like that, you know, just added a bit of moisture for me. So yeah. But yeah, doing the same step here again, brushing the products through gently, softly. You can see the more I do it, the more my curls are being defined. And also, you guys, I have 4C hair. Like, my hair is extremely thick 4C hair. So the way these products really make my hair like way softer, literally transformed it, is, yeah, it's still so shocking to me. But yeah, so don't worry if you're watching this and you're like, oh, her hair is probably like 4A. You know, take it from me, my hair is 4C. Okay, but yeah, these products are really good in the way they change the texture in the way of your hair and make it way softer and easier to work with. So yeah, putting more mousse. And also here, you notice that I sectioned out a smaller part for the front of my hair. I wanted that part to be more defined since it's going to be in front. So yeah, if you also want to go for smaller twists at the back, please do so if you want more defined curls as well. This is like a lazy girl natural hair routine. I do not have time to waste, so I'm just like, yeah, let me just do big twists at the back, and then I'll just do smaller twists in front where I wanted like a more defined look. So yeah, okay, yeah, doing the same step here. You guys already know the drill. More products, more definition. Take your time, don't be in a hurry. And honestly, this even took me like maybe 30 minutes to do this. So yeah, it doesn't actually take that long. Length check. Okay, now come on, let's go. Yes, love it. Okay, yeah, repeat the same step, and I'm just going to skip through this because at this point, I think you guys get it. Okay, this is what we're going for. You want to make sure that when you're done applying all the products, this is what your hair texture is looking like. So it's curly, it's bouncy, it is looking cute. And then once your hair texture is like that, then you can go ahead and twist it. Again, same thing I'm doing here. I'm also making a smaller section for the front because I want those parts very, very defined. And you're going to see why like at the end of this look. Hi guys, so it is currently 1:06 and I want to take out these braids, these twists, and see if we got the twist out. So I twisted it around like 9 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, so 4 hours. Typically I think I will leave it overnight, but because I don't have that time. I'm just gonna take it out now, so let's see. And I'm praying that like it actually looks cute. Okay, let's go. Is literally perfect. Okay, this is exactly what I was going for. It's giving everything I wanted it to give. I'm in love. I'm in love. I think the part that has mousse turned out but like has more defined curls than the part that doesn't have any mousse, but it's still not bad though. Okay guys, let's actually fluff it out. So for this step, you're going to need a hand dryer and an afro comb. So I'm going to take my comb and just comb the roots. Make sure that you're not combing the hair itself, like not the hair itself, but like you're not combing down here. You're just combing from the roots. This is just to add more volume to the hair. So I'm just going to like put it in, pull it up a bit, pull it in, pull it up a bit, pull it in, pull it up a bit. But please don't go too far up so you don't ruin like the curls that you have. So I don't know if you can tell, but like this side is now a bit more fluff than here. Well, I don't know if I'm in my head, but yeah. So my last step is to go in with a blow dryer and just blow dry the roots of the hair. I do this for a few minutes just so my hair doesn't shrink, and yeah, it looks nicer and fuller. Honestly, this hair makes me feel like a Disney Channel character. It's giving I should be in High School Musical, it's giving I should be in Camp Rock. Okay, try this out and let me know if you guys love this afro look because I totally love it. I've literally been rocking this am I in my 30s? I've literally been having my hair out like this for the past like 2 weeks and I absolutely love it. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. You are the one. When you rose from the grave, my soul did sing. You are the one. God of Abraham, sent his son to earth just for me. So I boldly proclaim, every tongue will confess.
confess. You're